Your LLM app is failing because you're passing strings where structured messages belong. Strings work for prompts. They break for conversations, tool calls, and RAG context. A raw string loses role, metadata, and structure. The model sees one flat blob. Lists give you ordered history. Each turn stays separate, appendable, sliceable. A list of strings is better, but still no roles or metadata per message. Dictionaries add key-value structure, role, content, tokens, tool calls, all in one object. Now each message has a role, content, and room for metadata like token counts. The pipeline. Raw string becomes dict, dicts collect into list, list feeds the LLM. RAG adds nested data, chunks with scores, metadata, and source tracking. A retrieved chunk isn't just text, it carries score, doc ID, and metadata for citation. JSON-serialization turns nested Python objects into API-ready payloads. Watch json.dumps handle nested structures. Dates become strings, tuples become lists. Raw strings force the model to infer structure. Structured messages make it explicit. OpenAI's chat format is the de facto standard: role, content, optional name, tool calls. System sets behavior. User provides input. Assistant responds. Tool calls carry function args. API responses mirror the request. Choices array with message, finish reason, usage stats. Parse choices. Message for the reply. Check finish reason. Track usage for cost. Now we build a conversation manager, add messages, trim to token budget, serialize for API. A tiny class. Add message, trim history, to AP format from JSON, under 50 lines. Run it. Add system, user, assistant, tool result. Watch token count stay under budget. Token-aware trimming prevents context window overflow, the #1 cause of silent failures. In production, token trimming cuts 400 errors by 90% and saves 30% on API costs. Extend it. Add persistence, streaming, multimodal, or function calling schemas. Persist to Redis with TTL. Survives restarts, shares across workers. Naive string concatenation versus structured manager, the difference between prototype and production. Teams shipping with structured history iterate 3x faster on prompt engineering. The pattern, string, dict, list, LLM, master this, and every GenAI app becomes maintainable. Copy the conversation history class, drop it in your project, and stop debugging context overflow.